Kyle. Where'd Michaela go? Michaela.
Here I am. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're at Ikea and we're gonna bring you guys a look. Alright guys, I'm ready here for a business meeting. I'm ready here for a business meeting.
See how light this is. Get the light out. You gotta see your keyboard. You can't see that as a lighting. Where? Oh, you know the Pixar thing? I'm getting it. You know the Pixar guy? Yeah, where's the light switch? Look at this. No. Oh. I'll leave my office.
Leaving your office? Alright, our business meeting is now closed.
Hey, you see, now it doesn't bother me, Mom. You know why, Mom? Because Michaela's recording, that's why. Why? Michaela, turned it off. I know she's still recording. No, she's not.
We're scanning you. How much is Kevin? 1 penny.
No, $5.
You're not $5.
Hold on.
Kevin's $5, everybody.
How much is Kyle worth? $3.
$3. Kevin's more expensive.
That's gay.
Do it again. Kevin.
I'm not doing it.
I didn't get it.
Oh, that's all what we're doing. Take 3.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
He's being gay like He's being his true self. This is Kyle right here.
Boys being boys.
Girls being girls. Alright, put it down. Give me this. No. You're Kevin, what do you want? White one? This one? This one?
No.
This one, no. Only these.
Look at this one, Kevin. Kevin, I think this. Kevin, this one should go in your room.
Oh yeah, that one.
Wait, open it.
Good for night. When you're ready for the day.
I'm gonna use that so you can wake up. Small mirror, big mirror.
I want a warm mirror, but I don't want a
Full body shot of you, Kevin.
Why?
Why?
I do. Because if you look at it, your screen, your mirror's gonna crack. Oh, I'm not looking at this anymore.
You're so.
And you're gonna be like, this is what I should have.
You're so mean. Kevin, are you that mean?
No.
No, I didn't think so.
What are you recording? We found another one.
Kyle, we're gonna buy so you can get some touch-ups.
Torture you at home. All day we're gonna buy it just to torture you. Feels good. I'm gonna go like this. This is how I'm gonna wake him up. Oh, Kyle. You don't wake up. What do you mean? Wake up. You don't wake up. Shut up.
So he's gonna wake you up with it now.
I know. I'm gonna lock you. I'm gonna keep it with me as I sleep. Lock it. Okay, go do that.
Are you excited to see your rest stop that you've been wanting to see?
I guess. I mean, we've passed it so many times.
Now you're finally going inside.
I know.
Go charge your electric car.
Go on there. I know. There's like 2 of them now. If you look behind it, there's only 2. But there's all those green spots.
What are all those green spots for?
Lock the car.
today is the next day, but I wanted to show you guys what we bought. I also want to say sorry if the video is like really short, but I didn't know like really what to film in Ikea because I didn't think you guys really wanted to see the whole entire store of Ikea. But I filmed a little bit, and then also the boys horsing around, so if I even do put that footage in, that footage will be in there too. But then we also went to this like rest stop for Long Island, so we've always passed it all the time, so we never actually went in to see it. So we went in there, so I'll put some of that footage in this video as well. And then I also want to show you guys what we got at Ikea. So the first thing we got at Ikea was this charger. I don't know if you guys can see. Mine's actually purple. I don't know if it's showing up, but mine's purple. Kevin got black and Kyle got orange. So you guys probably be like, well, you have this whole entire like system over here, like of this, and like why don't you just use that? But I don't like when there's a lot of things on it, and I feel like you can like blow it out. So I got that, and I can charge my phone if I'm working on my desk and not near my bed. I can charge my camera, and I can have like French charger stuff on that, and also on my alarm clock, because I have 3 on my alarm clock, 3 over here, and all that on the extension cord is all full. But we also got a red funnel, so we can like put things in bottles because we didn't have any funnels. And we also got container storage because all of ours are like broken and disgusting. So I'll show you guys those right now. These are the red funnels. So we have a little one and then a big one, and then we also have these containers. We got these big ones with another big one, and then we got really tiny ones, but most of them are in the dishwasher, and I just have to finish washing these. And they have like these really nice suction cups right here, and then they have the covers over there. So that's all we got from Ikea. But I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel down below, and hit that post notification bell on so you can get notified every single time we upload a video. And also the next video you guys see is going to be our 1-year anniversary on YouTube, so I can't wait for you guys to see that video. But I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe as always, turn the post notification bell on as always. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.